Hello lovelies, your girl is pressed and I got a package in the mail today. And so while I'm waiting for my food to come, I figure we do a little unboxing. I have been like stalking You Beauty's website. This is the super tinted hydrator. I got shade 7. So this is what shade 7 looks like. Looks like it's going to be a great match. Let's just put this on. This looks so beautiful on the skin. Oh, this looks, it looks amazing, like you guys. So here is the Plasma Lip Compound in their new shade called Shanghai. They've got multiple shades in this from what I see on their website. Nice little applicator. Oh, I love, go ahead and put the hair down because this is looking real cute. I love that this actually has actual color to it. Like, it's not just a product that gives you like a sheer wash of color. It's supposed to look like this, but it doesn't. I am so happy with these products. I hope you guys enjoyed my little quick demo and application, but I will keep you updated as I continue to wear these. But I really feel like while their 20% off is going on, I gotta pick up some more products.